candidate can also access the individual 2023 KCSE results online through a link on the KNEC website or directly through the URL https research.nec.ac.ke. Let me repeat again. One can directly access either through the KNEC website or directly through the URL https research.knec.ac.ke, and you will be able to get your research. This time round, we have worked with the engineers and the experts, and we are sure that the website and this particular system is working such that Kenyans will not be able to have the kind of inconvenience that we had last time when using a service provider. You will be required to enter your candidate's index number and the names as per the registration data for the 2023 KCSE examination. The results will be available immediately after this exercise. I now declare the 2023 KCSE examination results officially released and wish all the candidates the best in their future academic journey. I also wish all runners, teachers, parents, guardians, and all the stakeholders a happy and prosperous New Year 2024. Thank you, and God bless you.